Hello, it's Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. Today I'm going to do a back workout and shoulder workout, basically using the chair here. So I'm going to just put my hands together behind my back. So I'm going to use a close grip, close hand position as I'm doing them, and I kind of place the chair at an oblique angle, so I hope that it's a better angle for actually seeing the exercise. I stick my feet out as far as possible. So again, just sort of my hands behind hands behind my back, like I'm being arrested or something. Hands behind my back, and then my hands together. So basically, my hands are just butt up against each other, and then that actually makes the exercise more difficult because you really have to work on your balance. You have to be very aware of your balance, otherwise you can fall over very easily. Okay. So, with that being said, so again, this is working my back and the backs of my shoulders, the tops of my shoulders too. So, all right, so I stick my feet out as far as possible, okay, and to pit my body weight against me as much as possible. Remember, that's one of the key elements of doing a whole body weight workout is that you really want to pitch your body weight against. You want to put your body in a position that your body weight is against you as much as possible, okay? So you're using mechanical disadvantage instead of mechanical advantage, as like they use in engineering, okay? So, all right, anyway, so stick one foot over the other. Look up at the ceiling. My hands are together. Breathe normally. Okay, when your hands are together behind your back as you're doing the back and shoulder exercise, it's going to be quite a bit more challenging. This is also working your biceps and all your arms and your triceps. Really working your triceps very well. So you're getting a nice with a lot of the home body weight workouts. You're working several different major muscle groups at the same time. Okay, so that's one of the benefits too. You really work different muscle groups at the same time. Okay, so you lose weight and you also build muscle, working multiple muscle groups at the same time. Okay, all right. Okay, and always resist the motion on the way down. You'll notice that these ones are really challenging because you've got your hands behind your back and your hands are together. So you talk about mechanical disadvantage. You really have a lot of disadvantage, which is good. That's what you want to do with home body weight workouts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this exercise up with a downward sloping angle. I'm going to do one upward. This is the upward sloping angle with my upper body is facing upward. And then I'm going to mix this up with a downward sloping angle. So I'm going to put my feet on the chair and then close in hand grip. And I'm going to do the exercise the opposite way, basically. The opposite angle, Okay. Okay, that's pretty challenging. Oh. Yeah, the close hand position does make the exercise quite a bit more difficult, which is good. It's exactly what you want. I'm going to mix up and vary your workouts as much as possible. Okay. All right, so just give it a short flex. Flex your muscles and just to rip them a little bit more, add extra definition to your muscles. Does help. Helps a little bit. So just flex your muscles for about 20, 30 seconds. just to rip them a little bit more and to add extra definition. Oh boy, summertime now, so it's really hot outside. I have to. It's pretty hot in here when you're working out, you know. Even though I'm inside, it's pretty hot inside. It should be long enough. Okay, so let's try to do as many as we can and focus on the negative resistance. Aye. Yeah, it's getting pretty tough. Okay, so I'm going to try maybe one or two more, and then basically focus on my isometrics because it's starting to reach some points of failure. Okay. Gotta try one more isometric, and then finish this up and do the downward sloping angle. Or maybe not. That's pretty tough. Okay, so this is the, let's switch to the downward sloping angle. That was the upward sloping angle. Let's switch to the downward sloping angle. All right, let's put the chair there. So basically what I'm doing is doing the opposite angle. My feet on the chair, my hands are on the floor. Okay, close in grip again. And then look up at the ceiling, the same. Just do as many as you can. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, these opposite angles, especially with a close in grip, whew, man, they make it tough. All right. Oh, trying not to make excuses, but whew, man, that's pretty effective using the opposite angles with the close in grip. It just kills you right away. Almost destroys your muscles right away. All right, let's try one more time. Ooh. Yeah, pretty effective stuff. But very good. Very good and very effective. Oh, all right, I'm gonna do another quick flex. Oh. Just flex, 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 and you know, build some definition to your muscles, spare your muscles a little bit more. This one's going to be a short one. Usually the second flex I only do for about 15 seconds. 15, 20 seconds is close to 20, 30 seconds. All right, let's kick those off again. Back into it. I don't think I'm going to be able to do many because the muscles are already pretty taxed at this point. Oh. Oh. Yeah, just really focus on the negative resistance. Oh. Much more challenging than you would think, just by the hand position. The hand position and the angles, working with the opposite angles. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Really. So, you know, with the whole body weight workouts, just make them as challenging as possible. It's really the goal, you know. Make it as hard as possible on yourself, and that's the way you really build. That's where you really, you know, build and grow, you know. Oh. And I'm not that young anymore, you know. I'm getting up there in years, so you know it helps. I just have an easy way to work out where when I'm traveling or whatnot, I don't have to find a gym. You know, I don't have to worry about how much I have to pay for, you know, a one-time visit or a two-time visit when I'm traveling. All right. Oh, God. Jeez. Oh. So I'm getting pretty close to the end there. Even though it seems like I haven't done very many, because I haven't. But that's quite challenging. Quite challenging for me, anyway. All right. This obsessive compulsive thing I have, I keep putting on the sandals and taking them off, even though it's not necessary. Like, where am I going? I don't know. Trying to get away. All right, so hands behind my back again. Oh. 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 Okay. All right. So I'm just going to try to stop and hold as long as I can. Very nice little back shoulder workout and tricep workout too. Tricep workout. Really works the triceps nicely. Especially with your hands together, you know. Taxes the triceps as well. So that's excellent too. Alright, so let's go for it again. All right, that's about all she wrote. That's a nice little workout. Woo! Okay, that was pretty good. All right, so that is a nice little back and shoulder workout you can do in a very short amount of time. That took me under 12 minutes because of the close grip, the close hand position. Does so much to add to the difficulty of the exercise and to really tax your muscle, you know, your ability to, because you really have to focus on balance as well. So I hope you enjoyed that workout. I mean, that does not take very long to do, and maybe depending on your body shape or whatever, you can do as many as more or less than someone else. But that is a really effective workout, and it gives you a nice overall, you know, in your shoulders and your back and everything. So without further ado, everyone keep motivated to work out at home, man. It's so easy to do traveling. While I'm traveling, you know, I can do a workout whenever I want to. And, you know, again, don't have to look for a gym, don't have to worry about fees and how much, you know, overpriced fees you have to pay for one-time, two-time visits, things like that. Anyway, so everyone stay strong out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.